Welcome to Curious Minds, your weekly dose of fascinating scientific discoveries. I am your host, ready to share the most amazing and revolutionary scientific advances of the 21st century so far. In this video, we will tell you about the 10 most amazing scientific discoveries that will leave you in awe. To compile this list, we look at the major advances that deepen human knowledge and understanding of the universe around us. In this video, we will tell you about the 10 most amazing scientific discoveries that will leave you in awe. Starting at number 10 is the discovery detection of gravitational waves in 2015, confirming Einstein's theory by listening to spacetime ripples from black hole collisions. In 2015, the LIGO experiment made history by directly detecting gravitational waves for the first time. These are ripples in the fabric of spacetime predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. LIGO was able to pick up the subtle gravitational waves generated over 1 billion years ago when two distant black holes collided into each other. As these black holes orbited closer and closer, the gravitational waves they emitted grew stronger. When the black holes finally merged, it created a violent distortion in space and time powerful enough for LIGO's laser interferometers to catch the passing gravitational wave signal on Earth. This groundbreaking discovery powerfully confirmed Einstein's century-old predictions and opened up gravitational wave astronomy as a new window into observing the cosmos. By studying these cosmic collisions and mergers, scientists can better understand mysterious events like black hole and neutron star pairs. Gravitational waves also give us an entirely new way to probe the laws of physics. Catching these elusive waves required precision engineering and extremely sensitive detectors.